Hello and welcome back. So today we are going to do something exciting. So I just made this thing. You all know this thing. This is Wolverine Claws. Okay. So here's one. So today we are going to make this exact same replica of it in CATIA V5. So stay tuned, guys. So to make this thing, we need to go for the dimensions and go for a long things. Okay. We are not going to do that thing. Okay. So now we are going to take a picture of it. So for that, I'm coming into a front view. Okay, so just search on your search bar snipping tool. Okay, so new, like this. Save it in your folder. Okay, after that, um just go on start, ship, and sketch tracer. If you don't have a software, that's fine. You can download the software from the description link below. You can find the link over there and procedure how to install. Okay, after coming from that, we are going to design over here. Okay, so just select the front view here. After that, click on product and this one, create an immersive sketch. So the picture that you have saved, open it here like this. Okay, so convert your this view into a material mode so you can see the picture. Okay, like this, and click on this also, and after that freeze this thing, so the axis will freeze. After that, just drag this thing into like here, place it on the center of this. Okay, after that, we all know that the claw should be around 600 mm, so I'm putting a dimension of 600 mm. Okay, and drag this thing to this position like this. You can see the dimensions are changed, so we are going to put again this 600 mm. Okay, after that click OK. So we got the picture into our sketch tracer. After that, click on product, go on insert a new part design. By this you can sketch inside the sketch tracer. Okay, so for that, click on this like this, double click on this and select a YZ plane, sketch it, and it's a now very simple step. What you need to do is just sketch it with the help of these commands. Okay, so step by step I'm going to do this thing. So I'm just clicking on this 3-point arc. Okay, selecting one point over here. Now coming back here, selecting the tip carefully. Okay, after that, dragging some like this and adjusting it like this. Again the same stuff. Okay, after that, I'm going to do the same thing over here also. For that, again selecting this thing, 3-point arc, clicking on this, dragging it like that. So it's very random thing. Okay, you need to like understand this thing, that it is very simple, and like anyone can do this thing without not getting into the trouble of dimension things. Okay, so just do like this over and over again. Now I'm going to put a line like this. Make sure it is horizontal, vertical too. After that, dragging this thing over here like this, and the distance between this and this should be let's take it as 15. Okay, same goes with upper one also. Make sure you are holding the left control button of your keyboard while selecting these two entities. Okay. Okay, so double click on the dimensionals again to edit this thing. So I'm taking it at 18 like that. Okay, and this line and this axis should be coincident to each other. So click on this, put a right click, and you can see the list. So hit the button of coincident. Okay, after that just adjust it to the original position, and I'm going to delete this thing because I'm going to draw it by again. Okay, do as your like it is convenient for you. Okay, maybe you can get the better way to draw this thing by your own. Okay, after that I'm going to dimension this thing like this. Same process this one also, and this one too, and the distance from this line to this axis should be 125 respectively. After that make sure this and this should be tangent to each other. Okay, same goes with this also, tangent. Okay, after that just hold this thing, bring it down a bit. Okay, after that going to complete this thing. For that doing the same stuff, point 3 point arc like this, and now selecting again the same stuff. Okay, now I'm going to make it a corner, so I'm selecting the corner command. If you won't find this command, you can always go in here, insert, and this thing, so you can find all the tools over here, so no need to panic about that thing. Okay, or you can just right click on this tab. You can see all the stuff are over here. Click on it, it will appear over here. Okay, further doing the same thing with this also. The basic idea of doing this thing just to learn how to trace the designs. Okay, if you are getting difficulty in getting the dimensions of a design, you can always trace anything. Just click a picture, put in the CATIA, and you can have it nearby. So I'm just dimensioning it as 60. Okay, so I think it's complete. For the structural integrity or the sketch integrity, I'm going on sketch analysis, so you can check the things which are the open sections in the sketch. So it is showing close, so we are safe. Close it, come back from the sketch. Okay, now what you need to do is just click on this application and hide it. You can see the sketch now. Now click on pad command, put the dimension as 15 in this direction. Okay, preview, it looks nice to me. After that shading with the edges. Okay, So like this. After that, I'm going again in the sketch and drawing a circle over here to make a cavity. This rod should be placing inside this so it can make a grip to the hand. Okay, exit like this. And now going into just selecting this sketch to the pad again, and now going into this transformation features into rectangular pattern. So while you are going in the CNC machine taking a drawing to cut the thing, to cut the layout, so what you need to do is just place the things above it. Okay, for that I am going to select the Z axis. Okay, and it should be 3 as the Wolverine Claws are only 3. Okay, and the height should be 150, spacing between these things. Okay, so you can cut like that. Okay, if you are a CNC machine. Okay. So many of people don't know how to cut the things or make the things in real life. So this is the very basic way to do the things. Okay, now it's already completed. Here's one more thing, you must check it out. So this is a very good, let's say, app. So you can get over here, download this app, and you can find amazing content over here. By this you can earn a real-time money by taking a clients from around the globe, and this is amazing opportunity you can get over a platform. So this is very amazing app. So one can make sure, like, one can use it in a very efficient way. Okay, and this is very spectacular thing that is happening around the globe, that people are coming forward to make such a things that can help people to earn by the profession, by creating the content, by creating the stuff like photography, paintings, or any animation stuff that you like. Okay, so I hope you like this thing, and happy new year. See you next time. Till then, stay tuned, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and download this app. Okay, see ya.